You won't believe these animals cost more than luxury cars. Number 1. Stag beetle. It can cost up to $89,000. Collectors go crazy for these rare stag beetles. Number 2. White lion cub. Want a real-life Simba? It can cost you about $140,000. They are one of the rarest sights on Earth. Number 3. Savannah cat. It's half wild, looks like a leopard, and can cost you up to $25,000. Number 4. Hyacinth Macaw. Some are worth $500,000 because they're super rare and live longer than humans. Which animal shocked you the most? Drop a comment and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.